Oh, I just tore my Galabiya. Not a good thing. I stepped on it. I need to lift it up a little bit in the front when I run up the sands. I just made some temporary repairs for my Galabiya where I tore it. It was actually quite a bad tear. And I don't have a white thread, only a dark blue one, which I used for these things. By the way, these are these patches which I was telling you about in that video about the pocket bags. Pocket belt. So, and I didn't want to sew with dark blue thread. I'll get the white thread and do the proper job, and it will be a bigger job. It's not small. I don't want to do 2 times. So what I did, I just folded in the place where it tore. I just folded it over and made it shorter, and I used these safety pins from the inside all around the perimeter, and from the outside you see it won't be even in the sunlight, yeah? It won't be even that visible, and on the inside is this. So we'll see. Hopefully this will hold for today, and then I can get the white thread somewhere in the city when I'm back to Muscat, and tomorrow I can make a proper sewing proper repairs.